During the entrepreneurship challenge presentation, the only problem that I had is presenting the budget of the project and the future projection alongside the profitability of the project. Yeah, it was a quite challenging, but managed to go through it. I really consulted the investors before the program began, and they really guided me on how I can draft out the total expenses of my businesses and give out the total amount required for the proper running of this business. I learned the communication skills of how I can give out my idea in front of people with great confidence and transparency of everything I do. Honesty in presentation is the key for a best presentation.